I'm sick. No jokes. Pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for Rasativa, some of you people would never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. I'm sick of crying tears. No one to talk to. Johnny hear me grumbling in the bathroom and ask Daddy why you argue. I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. Some sick and confused fake education. Amaziyah The Great views. Rastakura will living among a sick generation. Tell them precise.